me anything. I'll give you an answer even when I'm making it up like a chancer. I'll say great question about myself time.
Greetings, everybody. So, today I wanted to challenge myself to make a real music video. That means song, visuals, everything. Using only AI, of course, and spending $0. Yeah, I'm a bit cheap like that, you know. Joking aside, I asked an AI to write against a rap song about AI. Yeah, why not? Then I asked another AI to sing it. Then I asked third AI to make the music video. Then I asked AI to edit the video for me, but yeah, it couldn't actually do that, so unfortunately I had to do some actual work. So, let's get moving. Go to any AI or large language model, as I should say. So my favorite one right now is Claude AI, but of course you can use ChatGPT, even Grok, you know, or whichever one you prefer. To me, Claude does it best. ChatGPT sometimes, yeah, it's not very, let's say, musical. So anyway, I asked Claude to write me comedy lyrics, roasting AI's greatest hits. So making stuff up, apologizing too much, and so on. So I let it actually do it by itself without me asking too much. And it actually wrote a very decent song, probably better than I would. So once you're happy with the result, head over to Suno. I suppose most of you know what Suno is. It's a very powerful music creator, let's call it like that. So you can enter your lyrics there and turn it into a song in a couple of minutes. You can actually ask Suno to write the lyrics for you, so you don't even need any AI to do that. But yeah, it's not that great for that purpose. First of all, you need to decide what kind of music you would like to make. First, I've chosen some synth music. Then I was thinking about 80s, and then I decided to go completely silly and chose rap, and then at the end gangster rap. Yeah, I mean you cannot get sillier than that, I suppose. I wanted to make a short song, so because first of all this is educational video, or it should be, and second I'm a bit lazy, so I didn't want to record 5 minute song, because then later I would need to edit it, of course, and then worst of all I would need to make a lot of free animations, which sometimes can be very tiresome. I mean, not just free animation, but animation in general can be tiresome, because you'll see it's like 10 seconds a piece, so this can take a long time. And now something really important. Suno has a free tier, and it's, I would say, quite generous. And you can make a full song. You have to use a bit older model, but it's fully capable. Not many limitations, or almost none at all. So that's all fine. But it's okay as long as you don't use it commercially, because you're not getting commercial license to use your song in if you're using free tier. Anyway, Suno is really not expensive. I'm using here paid tier, like $10 a month, and you can make a lot of music for that money. So I actually recommend Suno. It's really a lot of fun to use it. One more advantage of paid tier is that you can use newer models which are more capable and sound better than free ones. But for this video I was using also a free tier model, so you can hear it. It's really not bad. One other thing which you can do is to make songs in parallel, because sometimes it will take a couple of minutes for it to make a song. But if you're an impatient guy like I am, you can start making another song in parallel to the one which you already started. So that's also nice. Once you're satisfied with the result, head over to Meta AI, because right now it's totally free. And it's very decent for making videos or still images. You can, of course, use it as any other AI as well to ask for some information and so on, but keep in mind that it's still a bit maybe early, so that's why it's free. I did my research, and it seems that there is nothing blocking you from using images or animations you did in Meta AI commercially. My process is usually to create an image in ChatGPT lately, because now it has really good image engine, and it's free. So you can create your starting frame there, and then do the rest of the animation in Meta AI. Of course, you can do still image as well in Meta AI, but that part is up to you. I prefer ChatGPT. I made 11 usable animations, and each animation is about 10 seconds long. And we have a song which is a little bit over 2 minutes long. So now you're probably wondering how to do it. So there are a couple of tricks which you can use. It's not cheating, it's like saving the time, and I usually don't do it that often, only when I really have to, but this time, for the tutorial purposes, I was cheating a lot just to save some time and not to make video longer than it should be. And now, ladies and gentlemen, part 3, the edit. Editing is not difficult, especially when it's such a simple video. I mean, it's simple as it can be. First of all, go to media and import all your media, obviously, which will be used in the video. That means audio, images, animations, and whatever you want to add. I am starting usually, in this case especially, with audio. So import the whole song first, and then you will see how long the video will be. And based on that, do the best you can with the material, I mean animations and still images in this case. So I will start this particular video with entering a still image, and I will add some motion to it later, so it doesn't look like completely static. Next, I will add animations, and now for the, well, trick or cheat, if you like, is that I'm using some animations multiple times. So the simple trick is just to reverse the video. And if you're reversing, you always need to first post video in one direction, immediately afterwards in the opposite direction, so the motion looks fluid. So yeah, you keep doing that, and then in order to save some more work, because simply I don't have enough animations for this video, I will copy the whole first part of all animations, then move it or paste it to another part of the song. So there I have around minute and 55 seconds of video. And now what I need to do is use the last animation, and since there is like a couple of seconds extra, I will use another trick to slow down the video. So it's usually not so noticeable. Important thing to say here is also CapCut is free, so you can use it however you want. And also, if you have paid version, it will automatically remove, almost fully automatically remove these annoying watermarks. So yeah, that should be it. You can now watch full video if you like. If not, yeah, thank you for being so patient with me, for watching till the end, and yeah, I hope we will see each other again, and Of course, legendary words like, subscribe, and so on. Have a nice day. Bye bye.